Good morning to one and all. This is Abhishek. As a part of an assignment, I'm going to conduct an interview. In today's interview, we are having VL Valuers MD, Mr. NS Krishnan, with us. Very good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Thank you for accepting this, sir. It really means a lot.
My pleasure.
So let's get into the interview. What made you to choose this field, sir?
Yes, Mr. Abhishek. I also welcome you on behalf of my concern. The thing is that after completing my post-graduation, I was also in position to take a job and I was doing my job. But at a point of time, I realized that my earnings should be oriented to somewhere service-oriented, and not only it should be a service, it should also generate income for me. So in that way, I myself analyzed different sectors of business. In that way, I chose real estate as a service oriented and also an income generating field. So in that way, I am into real estate.
So how do you differ from the existing real estate companies?
Exactly, this is a nice question. Actually, real estate is also one of the professional business. After finishing the medical or engineering, choosing a job, running a factory or an IT sector, similar to that, real estate is also a wide professional platform. But it has been projected to the society in a way that it is a brokerage form of business. So only illiterate people and the people of low level categories can do this business. There I stood and thought of making this as a professional way. So my real estate company totally differs from a normal real estate field in a way of professionalism. I have made it into a professional way.
Okay. So, how have you implemented it in your company? Your ideology, how have you implemented it in your company?
Yes, I'm thinking that it should be in a professional way. I thought, okay, there are some builders and the companies are having the property developers, they are in the name of builders. But real estate, that word itself should be a professional word. So in that way, I started this business. I created a setup of organization called VL Values, where I had some sales managers, business development managers, business managers, and finally zonal head who will be given direction by the executive directors and chairman. So in that way, it was being structured as a professional way, and we are running our own concern in the same way.
So, what is the vision of your company, sir?
Moreover, saying the vision of the company, the vision of myself, both are almost the same. My vision is to make minimum 10,000 crores. It is not that I am selecting people for salary. I am selecting leaders. The leaders are totally different from salaried people. And I also don't want people to follow me. I don't want followers. I want only leaders. So my wide vision is that I should, by in coming next 10 years, within the period of next 10 years, I should create minimum 10,000 crores.
That's great to hear, sir. Now let's get into the recruitment and selection practices. How do you create vacancy in your company, sir?
Exactly, it is also a nice question because people chase on job vacancies, everything. But here I don't describe that there is a vacancy in my company. Then how could I look for a manpower? Yes, each and every day there is an opening in my company for manpower because, as I told, I have made this as a professional way. Normally, taking a people for salary and educating them, getting a sales report from them daily, and asking them to report to their superiors, giving them a target to run. In all these ways, we can select a person for salary. It is called, as you told, it is a vacancy in the organization. But my organization is open to people, those who are interested to earn money, not to pay, not to get money from the organization, to earn money. So I don't have a separate field called vacancy. My organization is open for manpower recruitment for 24 into 7, 365 days.
Okay, okay. So while talking about the earnings, what is the salary criteria you fix for your associates in your company?
Yes. Salary criteria, as I am very much feel that the people should earn on their own in spite of salary. Okay, for a normal family concern and normal day-to-day life, they need a basic salary. So here also we have a basic salary, and we have a criteria, as I told, the slab of sales managers, business development managers, and each and everybody will be given a salary based on their experience and their qualification and the interest which they have shown for their own development.
Now coming about the induction training, how do you train your recruited associates?
Yes, the associates have been trained. They have been given a weekly training programs. The training is almost the part and parcel of their life. The training will be based on the personality development. The training will be based on the communications. It will be marketing skills. And these trainings will be conducted in the star hotels, because we are now into a field where we are going to meet customers, those who are ready for investment and those who are ready to create that dream house, and those who are ready for creating a wealth for the future. So in that way, when we want to approach a person, we ourselves should groom in a way that they respect, they welcome us, and they are ready to listen to our words. So all our training programs will be in star hotels based on personality development, marketing skills, and how to approach customers, the way to express the persons themselves.
Okay. Now coming to the performance management, how do you evaluate your associates, sir?
Yes, the associates are being evaluated based on their performance and the interest which they are showing for their career. Basically, here we don't force anybody with the target-oriented sales or marketing. They are all given an input that each and everyone has a talent. Okay, I myself used to always believe that there are only two set of people. One who has got opportunity, the other one who has yet to get the opportunity. Each and everybody has their own talent in their own way. So when they get an opportunity, it is been they have time to explore them and they come up in the life. So these two persons, one who has got opportunity and who is yet to got the opportunity. In that way, the persons who are ready to grab the opportunity and give their 100% work will be considered as an achiever, performer. In that way, he will be promoted to the next level.
Okay, sir. Okay. That was nice. Now coming to the employee benefits section, what are the monetary benefits you provide to your associates other than the salary?
Yes, of course, this is also nice question, Mr. Akshay. Other than salary, the persons can be monetary. They have been given incentives. Here, as I told earlier, we don't mainly focus on salary. The salary will be very minimum and basic to the day-to-day life needs, monthly expense, everything. But the incentives will be abnormal. For example, if a person selects a customer who is ready for investment, and if the customer goes for investment of around 2,000 square feet, since we are in real estate, we have terms of square feet. When they go for 2,000 square feet, the associate will be given 40 rupees per square feet. Almost it is 80,000, which a professional person's monthly income. So approximately each and every my associates will be earning around 1 lakh to 2 lakh every month when they identify. This is the money benefit, as you told, which is being given to them apart from that salary.
That's nice to hear. So, what are the non-monetary benefits that you provide, sir?
Yes, exactly. This is a beautiful, wonderful question. Okay. Apart from salary, yes, each and every organization should take care of the associates or employees, whomever they hire for the jobs. Okay. Here, I used to entertain my associates every month based on their performance, based on their involvement and the interest which they are showing and the loyalty which they are showing towards the organization. They will be chosen accordingly, and we have an abroad trip, we have local trips, we used to go to Goa, we used to go for any theme parks as an outing, we used to go for theaters. So with the family get together and family entertainer and as a team, as a colleague, we used to travel a lot. I used to take all my associates. So in that way, apart from salary, apart from incentives, apart from job, they will be having a flourishing mindset to work each and every day.
Nice. And now coming to the grievance section, if the employees or associates working in your company have any issue, whom do they report, and who will solve it?
Of course, they have an. We used to run an HR department, human resource department, where they can give their difficulties or challenges which they are facing. Okay, and it will be solved based on the issues which they are thinking.
Okay, sir. Now, final concluding questions of our interview. What do you see as a positive sides or practices in your company, sir?
A positive side is that, as I told, each individual, those who are being associated with me, they will be having a feel that they can own ownership of their own job. The people, those who can have the ownership of their own job, is the blessed people. So this is the most positive thing. Every job has a routine work. Every job has a structurized method of working. They will be paid at the end of the month. So money comes to them in based on their qualification experience. But here, the positive side is that they will be internally grown. They can groom themselves. They will grow with the attitude that they are the owner for their job. This is the most important positive thing which we expect from our associates, and even our associates have been enjoying this positivity within them.
Okay. As we talk about the positive sides, what are the challenges that you face in your company? You think you should change it in the near future?
Yes, exactly. Actually, the general talks from the general people. The opposite of positive, they used to have a word called negative. But I am very happy to hear from an young generation, young man, that is using a word called challenge. Yes, I like this word, which is an alternative for the persons those who speak as negative. Challenges is the most important thing which you should face in your life. Yes, we do face challenges. Our challenges are in total different areas, right from acquiring of land and getting approval, getting the project developed, making our associates to understand each and everything. We used to face a challenge, and challenges are the energy booster to push yourself to the next level. And our associate challenges will also be brought into our knowledge, and it will be sorted out by our HR department.
That's the end of our interview session, sir. Thank you so much. It was a valuable session interacting with you. It means a lot to me, as I said before. Once again, I say thanks, and I can do so. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhishek. I also had a wonderful time with you, and I also want to see you with the flourishing colors, as you have a lot of knowledge and experience within you. May God bless you for a bright future. Thank you.